back to my channel. For those of you that don't know, I'm April with a Wooden Hanger, and I'm a full-time reseller on Poshmark and eBay. Today I'm going to do a real quick video for you guys on shipping, and I have 3 sales that I'm going to package up for you. I have a pair of shoes that sold on eBay, a top that sold on eBay, and a top that sold on Poshmark. So I'll go ahead and show you the shipping supplies that I use for those. I'm going to show you both free supplies from the post office and also some paid poly mailers that I use. And I'll leave a link down below to where I purchased them. I've had some bad pretty affordable. I think I pay about $15 for 200 of them, and they're really cute. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and put a link down below of the poly mailers that I use, and we're just going to watch a video on how I package them. And at the end, I'll show you guys how to weigh them if you are selling on eBay, because with eBay, you're going to have to know your weight before you purchase your shipping label. Alright, so this morning we're going to be packaging up a few items. Here I have a Rick and Morty tee that sold on Poshmark. We have a leopard print tee that sold on eBay. And these Antonio Milani, if you watched my last video, What Sold Sunday, had an offer on those for, I think, $25, but I countered back, and I think I countered for $35 maybe. They went ahead and purchased those. I mean, I held off just because these are still for sale at Nordstrom's, and they go for $98. I think they have them on sale right now, $58 new. And as you can see, I mean, they're very light wear, so I knew I'd get a good offer on those. Okay, so we also have some shipping tape, some scissors, a scale. This is a scale I use. I think I paid like $10 at Walmart for that. You can get that fairly cheap. If you're just doing Poshmark, you won't need to worry about a scale. But if you are planning to do eBay or Mercari, I would suggest going and getting one of those. Okay, and then I just have like these little thank you cards. I got these at the Goodwill. I think I paid about 50 cents for those, along with the ball of twine. Okay, so I have a USPS priority mailer envelope. You can get this for free from the post office. This is what I'm going to send the Poshmark shirt in. And then we have a poly mailer that I'm putting my eBay sell in. And over here, this is where I got this from. You Pack and Ship. I bought these off of eBay. Okay, and then the last thing we have is we have this priority mail shoe box that we're sending the shoes in. And when you're listing your items on eBay, just make sure that you're choosing a priority mail option from USPS, so that way you can weigh your item and you can use this box. So we also have some bubble wrap I'm going to wrap the shoes in. And when we're done, I'm going to go over some other boxes that you can get for free from the post office. There's this tiny one right here. You fold it up. Sometimes I'll put like ties in it, or like if I have lingerie or something. And then I have this medium size box. It folds up pretty nicely, and whenever I have bundles on Poshmark, this is usually what I use. Or if I have like large sweaters or jackets, I think it's really nice. Like I'll usually put like some tissue paper in it and fold it up really nicely. And then this is my last box I'm going to show you guys. So this actually folds out. You can see the width. You could put jeans in here, or, you know, maybe like a jacket or something, but nice little box to ship into. All of these boxes are free from the post office. You can order them online, or you can just go in and get as many as you need. These mailing envelopes as well. I usually get like a big stack of them and bring them home and use them for Poshmark sales. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, we're going to go ahead and weigh our items now. So like I said, we're only going to weigh what we sold on eBay. Poshmark, we don't have to really worry about the weight of any of our items. But if you do choose to sell on eBay, I'm going to show you guys how to weigh. Okay, so first we're going to weigh our top that we sold. Okay, so switch it to ounces, 4.1 ounces. So we're going to round up. And we're going to say 5 ounces. That's what we're going to purchase our shipping label for. Okay. Next, we have our shoes. Okay. So you can actually switch it to pounds and ounces too, to see how much you have. So for this, I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to purchase my label for 2 pounds. And that's it.